Have you ever wished your bank account was as cool and flexible as you are? Like, what if you could spend, save, and earn rewards all in one place, without the usual banking hassle? Well, that's where Koho comes in. But how exactly does it work? Let's dive in. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your traditional bank just isn't cutting it. You're tired of fees, limited options, and feeling like just another number. What if there was a financial tool that actually understood your needs and made managing your money fun? That's the promise of Koho. So, what is Koho? At its core, Koho is a spending account that comes with a Visa debit card. But it's so much more than that. It's a financial platform designed to help you take control of your money. Think of it as your personal financial assistant, but without the attitude. Let's break down how it works. First, you sign up for a Koho account. It's a pretty straightforward process. You'll need some basic information, like your name, address, and social security number. Once you're verified, you can start using your Koho card right away. But what sets Koho apart is its unique features. One of the standout features is cashback. Every time you use your Koho card, you earn cashback rewards on your purchases. It's like getting paid to shop. These rewards can accumulate quickly and can be used to offset your spending or save for something special. Another cool feature is roundups. With roundups, Koho automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's a painless way to start building your savings. Over time, those small amounts can add up to a significant sum. Koho also offers a savings goal feature. This allows you to set specific savings targets and automatically transfer money towards those goals. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or an emergency fund, Koho can help you stay on track. But wait, there's more. Koho is also committed to helping you improve your credit score. By reporting your spending activity to credit bureaus, Koho can help you build a positive credit history. This can be especially beneficial for people who are just starting out or looking to improve their financial situation. Now, let's talk about fees. One of the biggest advantages of Koho is that it's fee-free. There are no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no foreign transaction fees. You can use your Koho card anywhere Visa is accepted without worrying about hidden charges. However, it's important to note that while Koho offers many benefits, it's not a traditional bank. You can't write checks with your Koho account, and there are limits on how much money you can hold in your account. But for most people, these limitations won't be a problem. So, is Koho right for you? If you're looking for a flexible, fee-free way to manage your money and earn rewards, Koho is definitely worth considering. It's a great option for students, young professionals, and anyone who wants to take control of their finances. Remember, while Koho offers a lot of great features, it's essential to use it responsibly. Avoid overspending and make sure you're saving for your future. Financial wellness is a journey, and Koho can be a valuable tool along the way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.